Okay, so we had yet today a consolidation here and a mini gap up consolidation, then price retested its open price, rallied up to 200s, broke it out aggressively, rallied more, made a consolidation sideways, broke it down and rallied up to 300s. This is kind of the same attitude like yesterday, which is a strong uptrend. I currently shorted here against 300s, but then of course I will close the position if I see a breakout and I will buy for continuation. But let's see if this kind of pullback happens. Again, the big picture here, we held perfectly support here at this week's high, last week's high. Let's see now how far can we go up. Okay, so I closed the short position, I bought here for the breakout. Let's see if this holds and goes sideways and then build value higher. When you see trends like this, even if it's upside or downside, you need to follow them and not try to short a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, because eventually you going against the trend, and this is the worst thing to do. And never think that this is too much. The market knows only where is too much and where is overextending, so you need to follow. So as I said before, I will close the short and I will open a long. I did that. The reason I did that is because you don't need to be stubborn. Okay, this is, I don't know why, but this is going to fall down because it's just going up. This is very stupid. Don't do that. Just go with the trend, follow your plan, see the supports, trade against them with the trend. Do not short. I shorted here before because it was a good risk reward, but as soon as this didn't stop working, then I reversed and I'm long immediately. And the reason I'm saying that don't be stubborn is because I see many people is going up, that this is the top, this is the top, this is the top, they call it the top. Why do you need to care about the top when you take can just take advantage from the rally? I can understand that. This is very immature, let's say. So let's see how up this can go. Okay, so this is the time to short this uptrend because price failed once, rallied, now pulled back and held resistance. Let's see if this is a continuation. Otherwise, if this goes back up, I will just reverse the position and go for the uptrend as well. So as I said again, I immediately reversed my position. Let's see if this could hold support and goes back up, or if it's just gonna consolidate it sideways.
In the basket of currencies,
so price held support here at 90s. I immediately got long. Let's see if this support will finally hold or if we're just gonna consolidate it sideways here. It's kind of choppy, let's say, but if you manage your risk, you will be okay, because I shorted here because I saw this, I bought here because I saw breakout, now I'm long again because I saw breakout. Let's see how far this will go. You need to trade what you see, not what you think. If I was thinking that this will go down for whatever, I will just shorting. It might go down eventually, but this is not the case right now. This could be the case later. Let's see. Let's see now if this will cause the price to pop up. This is 100 lot seller held. Let's see how this will 310s will play out.
Where are you getting?
Okay, initial pop up as expected with this very big lot. Let's see if this will drive the market up. Okay, sideways consolidation. Let's see now if this double top can provide us with some better pullback. Otherwise, this will just hold support here or at 90s once more and rallies back up. But again, the price action from now on will be limited, so let's see. Very clear identified support here at 300, all these levels. Let's see now if it can find some momentum to the upside while breaking out this range high. Let's see if these 20s now will break to the upside. Again, price action is limited, but this doesn't matter, doesn't mean this price will not go in any direction. So this 320 held. Let's see if this can break up to the upside. Okay, acceleration to the upside, which is trend continuation for today. Very clear support here at 300. Let's see how far this can go. So price spiked here with volume spike. Let's see if this is enough to hold the index down and pull it back to 300s, or if this just gonna continue goes up to 400s. I'm still two lots short. Let's long from 305s. Let's see how far can this go. Okay, so I close the long position and open a short position against 50s. Let's see if this volume spike is good enough to bring the index down to 300s initially. Here are my targets. I'm willing to leave this position unless I will be stopped out, so let's see. Okay, so just to see how important is these levels I use in my strategy, 100s levels and 50s, which is the in between the 100s. If you can see here, price spiked up, which this is the signal of potential reversal. This doesn't mean always it is, but means that a lot of orders being triggered here, and then you need to see how it's gonna be developed. Now price held perfect to the tick resistance here at 50s, sold off, bounced back up and held once more. So let's see if this now can be an accelerated move down to 300s. Let's see if we're going to bite back here. Okay, move down to 300s, initial support I bought here. Let's see if we have this kind of reversal now. Initially, these are my targets. So let's see if this happens, or if price collapse below 300s, find resistance and then lower. Both my targets filled, just to see how powerful this strategy I've developed is. Here, perfect support at 300s. If you bought here, then you just risk one tick and then immediately price goes to your favor. If of course you bought and you're willing to go long. So let's see how much up this will go if it stops here or resistance too, or even higher. I have my last target up to 400s. This sounds very optimistic, but let's see. Okay, price sold off again to 300s. I just bought here. Let's see how up it will go, if it will go up this time or if it will break down. At the moment, very limited price action, but if you manage to identify the ranges, then this could be very good opportunities as well. So let's see if this will go up to previous highs here or just collapse to the downside. Okay, so close the position. Perfect support here at 300 twice. Let's see how this will develop. Again, when you see very aggressive up moves, do not try to short the uptrend. You need to focus on the consolidations, possible breakouts, consolidation, breakouts, then clear resistances if you want to short, then clear supports. Always go with a trend. Do not try to pick tops, because the reason you basically trying to pick a top is because you don't know how to trade the breakouts and you think, okay, I'm the smartest, I go to the top, so let's go down now. But this will never happen. So if you are so smart, why don't you just buy and buy again and buy again? So think about it. Thanks for watching.